Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of my IKEA delivery because it came yesterday or the day before. Yeah, Monday, yesterday. And I've been dying to open it, but I wanted to do it on camera. So here we go. So guys, I got one of these. This lovely basket is one of those ones that pop, can't do it, pop out. And what I was thinking of is colouring the bottom with some silver spray paint. Hello Alex. And then making some tassels or pom-poms to put on the basket. So I got two of those. And some rubbish. Yeah, you can have that. There you go. Woo! Ah, woo! And I got two of these stools. I did actually buy one for my mum, and we're going to try some DIY on them by putting a cushion on them. I don't know if I'm going to paint the legs, but we'll see, because I've got some spray paint in the bedroom, as I said about the basket. But yeah, £3 guys. We've got two of those. And then we got some boxes for the units, some what they call droner for the cube storage unit. So yeah, we got two of those ones. And then we got some girly ones for the girls' room, because we're going to be redecorating as soon as we can paint on the walls. So we've got some pink, and then these ones are the white top of the cupboard boxes. I don't know if I've said that right. Are they top of the cupboard boxes? But yeah, they're the storage boxes that go on the tops of cupboards and inside cupboards, and they fit the IKEA furniture perfectly. Like they're the right size, right depth. And they're the scub boxes. So yeah, that was it. So you got 3 scub boxes. We got 4 of the droner boxes, 2 of the Marius stools, and 2 of these beautiful, beautiful baskets. And they're the Fladis, and they were £10 each. The boxes were, these ones were £3.50, and the plain colour ones were £2, £2.50 or £3? Not sure, but I will leave the links in the description below, and I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Yes, baby? Oh, did you hurt yourself? Let's say goodbye then. Come and say goodbye. Say bye, guys. Yeah, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and we'll see you in our next video, won't we? Yeah? Thanks guys for watching.